How to swap your battery on your Makita cordless drill. Now, if you have a bigger Makita, it'll be exactly the same. It'll have the battery here at the bottom. This is the battery, and you want to press this button down here. You'll see red like that. So you want to press it down with your thumb maybe, or your fingers, and then so like this. So pinch it, and then with these fingers, press this blue bit or green, whichever you want to call this, of the Makita drill. So pinch, press like that, and that should pop it out off this little catch. And you just take out your battery, get your new battery, and you want it to line up with these lines like this on the battery. Slip it in, and then push it, and you want to hear that click, and there you go. You successfully swap the battery on your Makita cordless drill. If this video's helped you out, help me out by smashing the like, the subscribe, and thanks for watching.